Good morning students. Today I want to explain 2.3 Connecting the Dots written by Steve Jobs. He was born 1955 and died 2011. Was an American entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means businessman. Business magnate means he attacked any business. Inventor and industrial designer. He was the chairman, chief executive officer and co-founder of Apple Inc. He is widely recognized as one of the pioneers of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. Pioneers means first time designed. Okay, pioneer means first time designed. Jobs worked towards creating products like the iPod, iPhone and iPad. Okay, now before starting the lesson, let's see warming up session. Page number 61. Connect the dot to get what means a lot to you. Okay, you connect one dot to another again. Then the word is, which word you will get? Computer. Okay, the word computer. Now see second question. With your benchmate, use the letters given above to make a word register of computers. Word register means related to computer. You have to write all words related to computer. That means word register. Any topic related that topic you have to write words. Okay, that means word register. Okay, now see related to computer here also Google, printer, camera, software, hardware, screen, pen drive, website, disk, CPU, keyboard, mouse, monitor. Okay, now see next question. Okay, you are quite familiar with computer, especially the personal computer. Compares and make a list of famous computer manufacturing companies. One is given to you. Okay, now see Apple already given, Apple company, Samsung, then IBM, Dell, Lenovo, Acer, HP, these all. Okay, if you will get other name, you write that name. Okay, these all your workbook question as well as textual question. Okay, see your workbook and complete it whatever I explained now. Okay, now see third question, that also workbook page number 81 to 82. You will get these all questions. You complete that. Okay, complete your workbook. Okay, write it in your workbook, these all questions. Okay, now see question number 3. Complete the web by filling the various benefits of computers. Benefits of computers means uses of computers. Okay, computer can be used as great educational tool. Tasks can be performed easily and quickly. Saves time and effort. For communicate others. Then increases industrial efficiency and productivity. Connects to the internet. Can be used for paying bills as well as for entertainment. Stores vast amount of information. Now see next question. Next question, that also workbook page number 82. Okay, page number 82 your workbook. Then you complete this one. Okay, see expand the following into their full form. Okay, that means that is, here apostrophe. Okay, but full form that is. Okay, then didn't means did not. Okay, years means year is. Can't means cannot. I have. Okay, I have. Next to see, write the shortened forms of the following. Means shortened apostrophe. You have to write apostrophe. Okay, you have means you apostrophe VE. You have. Then I would I apostrophe D. Then it is it apostrophe S. You are you apostrophe RE. He will E apostrophe LL. Okay, evil. I had I apostrophe D. Will not, will, then N apostrophe T, will not, won't. Okay, won't. Actually, never say will not, won't. Okay, negative form, won't. WON apostrophe T. Next, shall not, shan't. SHAN apostrophe T. And are not, aren't. Okay, and need not, needn't. Must not, mustn't. And ought not, oughtn't. Okay, you write ought, then N apostrophe T. Now see page number, next page. Page number 62. Page number 62. Okay. Connecting the dots, written by Steve Jobs. Now let's start our lesson. Actually, connecting the dots means create a new idea. Okay, create a new idea. Now listen. Actually, in this address means speech. Actually, this one speech to freshly graduated students, the famous businessman Steve Jobs tells 3 stories. To whom? Freshly graduated students, means recently they completed their graduation. The famous businessman Steve Jobs tells 3 stories. Okay. Now listen, see, today I want to tell you 3 stories from my life. That's just 3 stories. The first story is about connecting the dots. His first story is about what? Connecting the dots. That means create a new idea. Now listen. I dropped out of Reed College. Here dropped out of means discontinued or left. Dropped out means discontinued or left. From which college? Reed College. After the first 6 months he joined, then immediately he dropped out. Okay, he discontinued. He decided to left. He tells them that he had dropped out from Reed College just after 6 months. Okay, just after joining 6 months he dropped from his college, but then stayed around as a drop-in. After that, like a visitor. Okay, he stayed around near that college and like a visitor. Means only which classes he found interesting. Okay, for another 18 months he attended that class only. He attended the classes which he found interesting for another 18 months. Okay, is that clear? I really quit. Really quit means left. Looking back, it was one of the best decisions I ever made. That means after that he thought it was my best, one of the best decision. Okay, after looking back he thought, okay, about himself. I really quit. Looking back, it was one of the best decision I ever made. I could stop taking the required classes that didn't interest me and begin dropping in on the ones that looked interesting. That means just after 6 months he dropped out from Reed College and he attended the classes which he found interesting for another 18 months. Okay. Now see, true or false. Okay, that workbook question here, one question asked. See your workbook page number 82. There one question given, reading skill, grammar, all that. Okay, Steve Jobs dropped out of Reed College after the first 18 months. True or false? Actually false. Then they written true or false and correct the statement if the statement is false. Then you have to correct the statement. Okay, now correct the statement. Steve Jobs dropped out of Reed College after the first 6 months, not 8 months. Okay.